Today, we're going to talk about the top 5 summer camp mistakes gym owners make and how to fix them. You've got the space, you've got fantastic coaches, you've got all the summer camps scheduled and on your website, but they just aren't filling up like you had hoped. I can tell you this, it's not because of your bad luck, it's not because of the economy, and it is definitely not because parents aren't interested. It's because most gyms are doing the same 5 mistakes every summer and getting the same inconsistent results. I am going to show you how we can fix those. If you're seeing this for the first time, I'm Jamie with Creatively Disruptive, and we help gyms and kids activity centers just like yours fill their programs consistently and taking out the guesswork and to stop wasting money on ads that aren't giving them the results they need. The first mistake is marketing too late. Typically, gym owners will start marketing for summer camps closer to summer, like around April, maybe May. You want to be able to get that excitement going first thing because parents are coming off of winter break realizing, hey, summer's right around the corner. I need to get my kids into something. This is why we encourage our gyms to start working in January, February at the latest to start getting ads out there, creating that awareness. You want to get in front of parents as soon as they're starting to think about this and wanting to get this off their checklist and have their kids ready to go well before summer. And think about it, how nice would it be to have those summer camps filled up or on waiting lists well before summer? It gives you more opportunity to know how many coaches you need or if you can even expand your summer programs. The second mistake is relying on organic posts and word of mouth. So you're posting on Instagram, you're sharing on Facebook groups, you're hoping parents will tell their friends, and those referrals are great. But is that all you want to rely on? What you need is a multi-channel approach. And what that means is Google Ads. Google is where parents are going to go when they're actively searching for summer camps or camps for their children in summer. All of these different keywords, we want to make sure that you're showing up for parents that are actively looking for programs like you have. Another one is Meta. Meta ads reach parents on Facebook and Instagram in your local area. Parents spend an average of 2.5 hours a day just scrolling through their social media. During that time, you want your ads to be able to come up and showcasing all the things that your camps offer for their children. Email and SMS marketing. That way you're able to market to your past and current families, letting them know that you have summer camps, they're open and ready for them to register for their children. We recommend sending at least one touch point about your camps per week in your emails. Starting in January, parents will need multiple follow-ups. Short-form contacts like Reels also help build trust and visibility. Also, make sure you're looking into your Facebook groups for that community presence as well. This isn't about doing everything. It's about building the systems that are going to attract new parents to your gym. So the third mistake is having a poor website or sign-up experience. If they click on your website and they cannot instantly find where to click on summer camps, and then what type of summer camps you offer with clear dates and times and pricing, they're going to get confused, and that's going to make them go to another site. Make sure that it's super concise, easy. You have one dedicated page on your website, not just an image of a flyer, but detailing out and all the information they need about those and a clear register now, how they can sign up button. You also want to make sure that your dedicated page has clear camp dates on it, times, pricing, age ranges for those camps, the daily schedules, and most importantly, an easy way for them to sign up. So have that sign up button there ready for them to be able to use quickly. The fourth mistake is not having a lead follow-up system. Every inquiry should get an immediate response within 5 to 15 minutes, whether it's via email, text message, or website chat, or your staff is calling them. And if a parent doesn't sign up right away, you need to have automations to follow up with them. Reminder emails, text messages that are answering their common questions, putting in like deadline nudges to let them know that they need to get in before a certain date. The follow-up system that we recommend is following up for 5 straight days. And following up means calling them, leaving a voicemail, texting, and sending an email. Having those touch points and reaching out to them in all of those different ways means you're going to get them and be able to have them respond in the way that they like to respond back to you with. The reason why we recommend that is most studies show that people need 2 to 4 touch points before they will convert. That means 60% of them are needing 3 to 5 interactions to make that decision. So don't be afraid to reach out. They reached out showing interest first. So make sure you're able to get a hold of them and give them the information that they're looking for. Because if you don't follow up, then you're basically handing them over to your competition because you know they're going to be following up with them and making sure they get a hold of them. So the fifth mistake is your messaging focusing on the activities and not the benefit to parents. Most camp marketing talks about things like fun games, obstacles, crafts, playtime, all the benefits to the kids, instead of focusing on what benefit it is for the parent. You should shift your messaging into what parents actually care about. Safe and structured supervision, convenient hours for working parents, physical skill development, confidence and social growth, and a screen-free and productive summer. Instead of saying daily games and fun activities, try saying something along the lines of a structured, safe environment where your child stays active, feels safe, and builds confidence. When parents see benefits in your message, enrollment becomes even easier. I've seen gyms just fix 2 or 3 of these mistakes, and suddenly they go from half capacity to on wait lists. They don't have to change anything about their facility. They don't have to change anything about their coaches. They just stop guessing and they start using clear systems. And the good news is that every one of these mistakes is fixable. You don't have to figure this out alone. At Creatively Disruptive, we help gyms map out a complete summer camp strategy, marketing follow-up, so that every summer camp fills predictably. If you want help with fixing these mistakes and filling every summer spot, book a strategy call with the link below so that you can talk with our team about how we can help you change those 5 mistakes and how we can help you go from taking your summer camps for just being a okay summer to having wait lists and getting the revenue that your gym needs. And if you want a full step-by-step breakdown of our summer camp marketing strategy to help you fill those spots, make sure you check out our next video.